Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Need a crisp border around a photo, a text box, or a button? Never draw it manually. Use the stroke layer style, and it scales perfectly with your layer no matter how many times you resize. Double-click your layer and enable stroke. Set the size in pixels. 4 pixels is a clean standard. Choose the position. Outside places the border around the element's edge. Inside places it within. Center splits it across. For product photography borders, use outside at 2 pixels with a white stroke. It separates the product edge cleanly from any background. Change the fill type from solid color to gradient for a premium metallic border effect used in luxury brand design.